Welcome back, guys. I got some slat work done yesterday. Had a little camera issue, so no filming. I got more done today, and I'm gonna finish up tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'll be doing, but I'll have something. Anyway, hit that subscribe button. We'll get some work done. Name that movie. Alright, as you can see, it's an awful lot of tedious work. And yeah, it's kind of a pain in the butt. Either way, it's done. This side's done. I'll finish up the other side later. I'm going to go home, have me a hamburger. Handyman out. Bye-bye.